In this thrilling event, Nissan has once again pushed boundaries, aiming to set a Guinness World Record for the highest bungee jump with a car. After a month of preparation, the daring feat took place in the heart of La Défense, where a Nissan Qashqai was suspended 65 meters high, attached to a 12-meter bungee cord. The height of the jump surpassed the first level of the iconic Eiffel Tower. As the countdown began, the car took the leap, creating an extraordinary spectacle. This incredible stunt successfully set the world record, showcasing Nissan's commitment to innovation and adventure. Like and subscribe for more exciting car concepts and automotive updates.